Hello students. In previous video we have learned how to add and subtract the given capacities. Now today we will do some word problems based on the addition and subtraction of capacities. So we have worksheet number 4 in which we have to solve the word problems. So the first question is 3 milkmen are separately carrying 36 liters and 250 milliliter, 58 liter, 396 milliliter and 66 liter, 324 milliliter of milk in their containers. So there are 3 milkmen and each milkman carry the milk separately in three containers. Now find out what is the total quantity of milk with them. So you have to find out the total quantity of milk. So here the keyword is given, and you all know that whenever we have to find out the total, then what we have to do? So we have to add all the 3 capacities of milk in the different containers. So very easy question. So first of all we will write what is given. So solution number A. So what is given? Milk carry by first milkman. Milk carry by first milkman. Then milk carried by second. Then carried by third milkman. So what we have to do? We have to add all the 3 things. So 36 liters and 250 milliliter. Next is 58 liters, 396 milliliters, and 66 liters, 324 milliliter. So what we have to do? We have to find out the total quantity of milk with them. So total quantity of milk. So to find the total we have to add. So add them. You know how to add. If the sum of the milliliter is more than or equal to 1000, then we have to convert it into liters and milliliters, otherwise we will add them directly. So it is 6 plus 4 10, 1, 9 plus 1 10, plus 5 15, 16 17, carry over 1, 6 7 8 9. So 970 less than 1000. There is no need to convert into liters and milliliters. Then add the liters. So 20, 2, 6 plus 5 11, 11, 14, 15, 16. So all the 3 milkmen carry 160 liter 970 milliliter of milk. So total quantity of milk with them is 160 liters. So we will write the answer. Question is find out what is the total quantity of milk with them. So we will write the answer. Total quantity of milk with them is 160 liters and 970 milliliters. Now the next one, a shopkeeper purchased 45 liter 500 milliliter of mineral water. So shopkeeper ने इतना mineral water purchase किया during the day he sold out 28 liter 755 milliliter water. So this much of mineral water is purchased, and out of this, during a day he sold out this much of water. How much mineral water was left with him? So कितना mineral water उसके पास बच गया, left. To find the left, what we have to do, you know, बची हुई चीज जब भी हमें निकालनी है, we have to subtract. So keyword is given again, and keyword is already underlined here. So first of all, we will write what is given. So mineral water purchased. Mineral water purchased. That is 45 liters and 500 milliliter. And mineral water sold. So how much mineral water is sold? That is 28 liters and 755 milliliter is sold out. Now we have to find out mineral water left. So you know what we have to do, we have to subtract. So now see here that 500 ml is smaller than 755 ml. So what we have to do? We have to take the borrow from here. So when we will borrow, what will left over here is 44 liters, right? 44 liters will be left, and what will the 1 liter will come here and it get converted into milliliters. So 1 liter कितने मिलीलीटर बन जाएंगे? 1000 milliliter. So it will add to this. So what will it become now? It becomes 1500 milliliter. Now subtract it. So here 0 is smaller, so it will become 10. Here what will left is 9. Then it will take borrow from here. What will left over here is 4. Then again 4 is smaller, so it will become 14. So now we will subtract it. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, and 14 minus 7 is 7. So 745 milliliters. And now subtract 44 liters minus 28 liters. So 4 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow. It will become 14. What will left over here is 3. 14 minus 8 is 6. 3 minus 2 is 1. So how much mineral water is left? 16 liters 745 milliliter of mineral water was left with him. So question is, how much mineral water was left with him? So we will write 16 liters 745 milliliter of mineral water was left with him. Left with him. Now the next one. Raju mixes 2 liter 750 milliliter of cow's milk and 7 liter 5 milliliter of buffalo's milk. So Raju mixes cow's milk and buffalo's milk. How much milk did Raju have in all? तो कितना सारा मिलाकर कितना मिल्क राजू के पास है? So here again the keyword is given in all. In all, जब भी हमें सारा मिलाकर टोटल निकालना है, then we have to add. So again add it. Write down what is given. Solution number C. So cow's milk and buffalo's milk. So cow 2 liters 750 milliliters and buffalo's milk is 7 liters and 5 milliliters. So how can we write 5 milliliter? We'll write 5 in under 1 space. and now we have to find out the total milk. How much milk did Raju have in all? So milk in all, right? You can also write total milk. Now add them. So very easy. It becomes 755 ml and this is 9 liters. So 9 liter and 55 milliliter of milk Raju have, or you can say Raju have. So we'll write the answer. Raju have 9 liters and 755 milliliter of milk. Now 2 questions are left. A barrel can hold 29 liters and 55 milliliter of oil. This is the total quantity of oil that a barrel can hold. Maximum इतना ये hold कर सकता है barrel. Out of which 12 liter and 94 milliliter oil was taken out. इतना निकाल लिया. What is the remaining quantity of oil in the barrel? Remaining is again बचा हुआ. So कितना oil है जो उसमें बचा हुआ है, left है. So remaining is again a keyword. So what we have to do? You have to subtract. So आप subtract करेंगे total जितना barrel में oil था और जितना taken out. So we will subtract them and we will get the remaining quantity of milk in the barrel. So try to do it yourself. And E part is Ramo's bucket holds 9 liter 350 ml of water and Shalu's bucket holds 8 liter 455 ml of water. Whose bucket hold more and by how much? So very easy question. You have to compare किसमें ज़्यादा water आता है. So 9 liter 350 milliliter and 8 liter 455 milliliter. So किसमें ज़्यादा water आता है? So I have already told you how to compare. हमें सिर्फ bigger unit देखनी है. 9 liter and 8 liter में से कौन सा ज़्यादा है? 9 liter. So Ramo's bucket hold more water. This is the answer of first part. Now second is by how much? कितना ज़्यादा hold करता है? So that means we have to find out the difference between the water capacities, holding capacity of both the buckets. कितना hold करता है उसमें difference निकालना है. So you know what you have to do to find the difference. Difference निकालने के लिए हम फिर से क्या करेंगे? Minus. हम 9 liter 350 ml में से 8 liter 455 ml को माइनस करेंगे. हमें पता लग जाए कि रामू की बकेट में कितना ज्यादा वाटर आता है. So we have to subtract in both the questions. So try to solve these two parts yourself. Thank you.